Now, it's an easy step for me to take, but in 1947 it wasn't. One of the most successful Slovenian stories started here, overpassing this border. Since then, it kept doing the same with tens of others, all over the world.
GOSTOL is now one of the most respected names in the bakery equipment industry. But how did they get here? Let's find out.
The company started up in year 1947 as a small workshop. This was the year when the new border after the Second World War between Italy and Yugoslavia was established. And it happened so that the owner's home remained in Yugoslavia and his workshop in Italy. So he decided to take all the factories, to take the machines and the workers to Yugoslavia. And this was the start of the company GOSTOL. In 50s, they already started with some machines for brick making factories. Yugoslavia was that time in building, and the material for constructing was very needed. So in 60, they already manufactured the first mixer for mixing the dough and some other machinery. That time the management acquired 2 licenses from Germany. This was the license for the modern dough making mixer and of the 2-deck bakery oven. This was the opportunity to make a faster step forward. Later on in 70s, we made the first tunnel oven and also the first complete bakery plant. This was the start of the complex factory on that field of the bakery equipment. And since then, we are known as a manufacturer of the industrial bread making equipment.
Today, GOSTOL machines produce bread for more than 20 million people. Let's find out why successful bakers all over the world choose GOSTOL for their business. Hello, we are in Malta, one of the most spectacular places in the Mediterranean area. Back in 1946, a small traditional bakery was founded in Floriana. Golden Harvest has evolved over the years to become the leading manufacturer of bakery on the island. Over 65,000 bakery products enter Maltese kitchens every single day in the tastiest and freshest possible way. To achieve that, Golden Harvest needs a very special production line.
GOSTOL equipment is a very good quality equipment. It looks quite robust and very efficient. They seem to deliver on time, which is very important for us especially when we had to shift from one bakery to another. It was very important for us to have the equipment in the right time, at the right moment. And also they got very good after-sales service. They seem to take care of us quite good. And in this part of the world, you need a very good after-sales service. We live on a small island, and that is very important for us. We now can do most of our workload in one shift, whereas before we used to use 2 shifts and sometimes even more. And not only that, from the quality point of view, we seem to have more consistency in quality now because everything is computerized and there's less human element involved. And it also gives us chance to produce more and to reach more markets. So now we are looking to achieve bigger sales with this equipment.
A Norwegian proverb says that the best fruits hang highest. Well, we got very high to the north to see if that applies to bread too. So, hello from Norway!
GOSTOL begynte med å bruke i fjor, altså i 2009, på høsten. Så det er helt nytt for oss, og det er et bra firma. Vi ble da presentert for flere selskaper, der det beste tilbudet kom fra GOSTOL. De hadde da en god utgangspunkt med at vi kunne bruke gass, som er et naturlig fyringsobjekt her på Haugalandet. Vi da kjører 1050 brød i timen, og med å kjøre med GOSTOL sine, så har vi da en mulighet til å påvirke rasken i disse ovnene. Vi kan gå inn i raskebanen og se på produktene, og vi kan styre det sånn som vi vil.
They say that in Russia, after you die, all the bread you have wasted during your lifetime is weighted. And if it proves to be heavier than your own body, well, you go to hell. Let's find out more about what it really means to cherish the bread here in Russia. Vladimir's bakery product answered the needs of the local market and also the needs of customers in Germany, Israel, United States of America and Canada. Producing 130 tons per day, the Vladimir factory is one of the largest bakery producers in central Russia. The history begins back in 1929. The scale of the production requires strict obeying of deadlines, continuous diversification of the offer and, of course, modern technology.
Когда занялись реконструкцией нашего предприятия, естественно, мы пригласили на аукцион, на тендер, изучили рынок оборудования, качество оборудования, ценовую политику различных фирм Италии, Германии, Голландии, ну и, естественно, Чехии и Словении. Ну и путем, мы ездили на различные предприятия, где работало это оборудование. И в конце концов, по соотношению цена-качество, по условиям поставки, мы выбрали фирму GOSTOL. И мы, я думаю, не ошиблись в том плане, что эта фирма поставила нам оборудование. Это оборудование вы видели на линии, на современной линии, роботизированной линии.
Сашенька, Машенька, душенька, Парашенька, волос к волосу кладет.
It all began with the vision of one man, Josep Strukel. When he passed away in 1977, his fellow workers wrote in the GOSTOL newspaper, "Great works and their creators live forever."